With record-breaking blizzards sweeping across the Midwest right now, fleet operators are hitting a massive wall, literally. When you're in the seat of a loader at 2 a.m., the air isn't just cold, it's a wall of white. Standard halogen bulbs output a yellowish light at around 3000 K. The problem is that dim, warm glow reflects right off the snowflakes, creating a whiteout glare that effectively blinds the operator. To cut through a storm like this, you need a light that's built to take a beating. We're using this Bobcat loader as our test bench. When talking about the most budget-friendly and efficient Bobcat equipment repair and upgrade in the snow, this LED light upgrade kit might just be the way to go. Designed specifically for those who work in extremely harsh weather conditions, they are the necessary parts for your snow removal. Compared to the original factory lights, its brightness is several times greater, letting you punch a hole through the darkness so you can stay on track when the visibility drops too much. Also, your LED lights should be rugged housing and waterproof to ensure stable and reliable performance in ice, snow, and all types of harsh conditions. How to install aftermarket LED lights on a Bobcat skid steer? It's very simple. It's divided into two parts, the front light and the tail light. For the front light installation, step 1. Ensure the vehicle's power is fully disconnected. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws holding the front light in place. And step 2, unplug the power connector from the old light so you can remove the light assembly. Step 3, connect the power plug of the new light and install the light assembly onto the vehicle. Step 4, use a screwdriver to securely fasten the light. Installation complete. Tail light installation steps. The tail light installation is slightly more complex, as follows. First, you have to use a tool to pry off the original tail light assembly. Remember to keep the original turn signal bulb. Meanwhile, remove the original halogen lighting bulb. Now you can install the new light body into the tail light recess. The last step is reinstalling the original turn signal bulb into the turn signal housing, and then wire and protect the connection for the new LED lighting unit. See? The installation process is not that difficult, just like a plug and play, and you can easily do it right at home yourself. If you frequently work late into the night and require the absolute best safety assurance and the broadest visibility, then don't hesitate. Choose the LED upgrade kit. But look, if the weather where you live is usually great and you've got clear skies year-round and you're just looking for a quick, budget-friendly fix that keeps your machine looking factory fresh, then the OEM replacement kit could be a substitute. Don't let faulty lighting slow down your winter productivity. No matter which model you choose, these are the best LED light kits for compact skid loaders. FridayParts helps you save both time and money. Click the link below now to fully upgrade your Bobcat and subscribe for more budget equipment repair advice.